Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check TPM2. 0 and update firmware so the platform can store keys securely. Once verified, backup current OS boot keys and create recovery media to avoid lockout. Then enter the firmware menu and enable Secure Boot. Load or create a signing key so you can sign bootloaders and drivers. Make sure to document passwords and key locations. This immediate setup prevents common failures and lets you proceed to signing and enrollment with confidence. You now sign every boot component. Sign the bootloader, kernel, and drivers with your private key so firmware will trust them. Next, manage UEFI key databases. Install or update the platform key PK, key exchange keys, KEK, and the signature database, DB/DBX, to control allowed and revoked images. Use vendor tooling or FABootinger and SB sign as appropriate. Import keys through the firmware interface if required. Once enrolled, reboot and confirm the firmware, accept signed images to avoid startup failures. You finish by performing multiple cold reboots and firmware resets to ensure the system boots reliably with Secure Boot active. If everything loads cleanly, lock down key enrollment and store backups offline. If a key is compromised or a driver breaks, revoke it by updating the DBX and redistribute updated signed binaries. If the machine fails to boot, use your recovery media to restore previous keys and configurations. Then inspect firmware logs and signature verification errors to pinpoint and correct the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.